we're about to create an account, log in to GameStar Exchange. This is version 1. Let's get into it. So essentially what we're going to do today is show you how to launch the app right here. Head over to GameStar.exchange. Click the drop-down menu right here, launch app, or just click the top right up here and you can definitely get to the app as well that way. So what we're going to do is essentially figure out how to stake assets and create an ad to perhaps buy some gift cards. So let's just see what we've got here. Okay, head over to the app, which is at app.gamestar.exchange. You'll head right into the gift card market. Again, this is version 1, which is newly launched right here. We'll add a lot of other features coming down the line, but today let's just use our MetaMask to connect. Of course, you see Wallet Connect as the option right there as well. So version 1 focuses on the gift card market. Again, this is a peer-to-peer decentralized trading platform. So you essentially need to connect a wallet to create your account. So why don't we get that started right here? And we've got to stake assets. So if you want to use the platform, let's say you want to actually create an ad, then you're going to have to definitely stake some assets. First, you're going to need some GMS. So let's either head over to PancakeSwap. We can also head over to MEXC. And of course, you can add that to your watch list as well. That's the GMS and USDT pairing. If you don't have the contract address for GMS, you definitely want to head over to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Type in GameStar or GMS and make sure it's the correct logo, correct website, GameStar.exchange. And you can copy and paste the contract address right there, right into PancakeSwap. You can also add it to your wallet as well. But look, if you need further assistance, you can definitely head over to the GameStar Help Center, which is easily found in the exact same drop-down menu at GameStar.exchange. And this is a help center essentially that has tons of information about how to log in, how to appeal an issue if you have some type of trade issues, some of the trading guidelines, earning rewards if you want to be a referee or a judge. I think that's a really good thing here. So many different updates. So anything you need to find, any questions you have, the answers will most likely be in the GameStar Exchange Help Center. If you can't find the answer to your question, definitely join us in the Telegram group and or the Discord server. We've got some great assistants there, great people to help you out, right? So here we go. We're going to stake some assets. Okay, let's stake GMS. We do have to stake 10,000 GMS to get things going. This is all part of the Taurus protocol to ensure that we have the lowest risk environment possible. Again, this is peer-to-peer decentralized trading. So again, you just click stake right here, in this case, GMS, add our 10,000 and our wallet's going to pop up. We're going to make sure that we select to sign and accept these contracts here, right? So when your wallet pops up, definitely accept or sign these agreements. And when you're done, you're going to get a transaction ID. Now, you can keep it for your records. You don't absolutely need it at this point in time because the system will recognize that. However, in the future, when you do decide to make trades or if you do decide to place an ad and perhaps let's just say you have an appeal to make, you can copy and paste the transaction ID to prove that you actually did send the funds and things of that nature. So let the system do its thing. And once you're done, of course, you click OK, and it will let you know that your assets have successfully been staked, as you see right here. So now let's continue to stake a little more. We're going to stake some BUSD. Now we're staking some BUSD simply because we would like to create an ad. I'm going to try to exchange or sell my BUSD for some gift cards. So let's just say, let's try an Amazon gift card. So let's go through the same process again. We're going to accept the contracts in our wallet. So give that a moment for the network to process. And of course, you'll get a transaction ID, which at this moment in time, you don't absolutely need, but it's good to have for your records. And there you go, assets successfully saved. Now, it may take a moment for the system to actually update. So, you can refresh, but essentially it's working in the background. Your BUSD and GMS assets will be staked and they will be populated in a quick moment. So what you'll see here, of course, you want to link your address, okay? Before trading, you must bind your account address for BUSD and also an email address because you want to get some type of notification. So version 2 will definitely include other methods of receiving notifications, as well as another bunch of upgrades. But for now, we're definitely in version 1, focused on gift cards, GMS tokens, and of course, BUSD. So let's keep going. Let's get our wallet address in here, copy and paste, and there we go. So as you see, we have no ads currently. So why don't we click the plus button to create one? I'm looking to sell some BUSD. Okay, so I'm going to give away some BUSD in exchange for, let's see, perhaps an Amazon gift card, as we said earlier. I'm going to choose what I need. I'm looking for e-codes and physical cards, and that's fine, right? You can choose what you want. You can choose no receipt. You can choose cash only. It's up to you. And now what we're going to do is, of course, choose the currency, which is USD. So I'm giving my $20 in exchange for, let's see, what is my target profit? Perhaps I want to make 25% on what I put in. So as you see here, my preferred price, I'm offering, let's say in this case, 1.2, and I will pay 1 BUSD and I will get 1.2. So let's make it let's make it 0.25. So if I pay 1 BUSD, I will get $1.25 worth of Amazon gift cards. That's a pretty good rate. Now, of course, if you want to make more or less, it's up to you. You can even offer a discount by providing a negative number. But in this case, I would like to make 25% on each dollar. So I'm going to do a minimum or maximum. People have to essentially go for $10 or $20 as the max. And now here we go. Let's just set our terms of trade. I'm just going to say something simple like Amazon gift cards for BUSD, physical and e-codes. You know, just make it simple just for those who are browsing. You can keep it as simple or as complicated as you wish. It's up to you. Now, it's up to you whether you want to make the users that are able to interact with it verified or not. Well, since the platform is so new, I'm just going to click no for now. But as the platform gets a little older with more traders, we may want to consider allowing only verified traders in the future. So there we go. So far, we can see we're trying to sell. The fee is 3%. We see the price is 1.25 per $1 BUSD. And there we go. The ad is placed. So now if we go back to the gift card market, we can actually see our ad published. So the world can see we've got an ad ready to go. Look, if you have any other questions, definitely join the Telegram and join the Discord, or simply head over to GameStar Exchange. Thanks for watching.